Security is something that is super important when dealing with CI/CD workflows. Now we have a few solutions for that, like automatic audit logs. So let's trigger this promotion over here. So let's deploy our cart service. Let's start the promotion of this. Now everything gets logged automatically in Semaphore. So let's check out how the audit logs look like. Now we can go into our organization and click on Audit Logs. So this will give us a list of all of the events that are happening inside our system. Now you can see this pipeline promotion that I've just triggered. This event has been logged. And you can go through the history of all of these events, which allows you to see what's happening in your CI/CD workflow and what's happening throughout your entire organization. You can also configure this to stream somewhere elsewhere. If you want to save these logs in your AWS cloud or in Google Cloud, you can set this up. Now, the next thing we are going to check is pre-flight checks. Now, pre-flight checks are predefined steps that get executed for each pipeline in the initialization process. So you can manually define commands like custom security checks or detailed dependency management or even self-configured access control. So let's have a look at how this looks like. If we go into our project settings, we can actually go into the pre-flight checks tab, and I'm going to paste in a script that basically checks if I am in the allowed user list, which I'm currently not, and it will deny the promotion process for me. So this will get executed before each pipeline. So let's save this and let's go back to our workflow and see what happens when we trigger our promotion. Okay, going back to our workflow, let's click on deploy cart service. So this is the same promotion that we did earlier and it went through. So let's click on start promotion and we can see that the job is already preparing. So let's click on this pipeline over here and let's wait for it to go through. Now, what's going to happen is I'm not going to be allowed. So as you can see, it says we couldn't run your pipeline. And if we go into the logs, so let's open up the logs, you can see that this script was triggered and it automatically rejected the promotion. Now you can customize these scripts in any way you want, and please check the documentation. Last but not least, what's also super important for enterprise security is single sign-on. Now we do have OKTA support and we also have support for OpenID flows. Now I'm going to show you how OKTA looks like. So in order to set up OKTA in your organization, what you need to do is just go into your organization settings, click on OKTA integration, and then just click on the setup button. Now, once you're here, you just need to fill out your single sign-on URL address, your SAML issuer, and your SAML certificate. Once you do this, your users will automatically sync and you will have the ability to log in with OKTA when you are using Semaphore. Now, this is most of the things that we have in our enterprise security feature set, so make sure you check them out and sign up.